First of all, let's create few test bookings in order to be able to demonstrate how things work with regards to managing bookings. We have our first booking subject page created. Let's take a look. Okay, booking calendar is set up for a target property. I did that in a previous video titled Booking Calendar Options Explained, so we can move on. Before I create my first test booking, I want to point out that I have Post SMTP plugin installed, and I advise you to install it too. That very plugin is used to send all of the notification emails via SMTP, also known as Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, instead of default one, which is PHP Mailer, and which I never found to be working fine. Post SMTP plugin will keep the log of all emails sent by Bookmate plugin, so that's how we can check for any error and see whether our emails get pushed to the actual mail server. Alright, let's finally go back to the front end and do some test booking requests. Okay, now select Bookmate, all bookings. As you can see, those 3 test bookings that I just made are here. Each booking title is composed out of booking name and the surname. Accommodation column refers to the booking subject title. In our case, this is our first booking subject page. We also have arrival and departure date columns, booking status and invoice created date columns. All of the columns are sortable by the column parameter. The search is here to help you find the target booking by the client name if needed. And there are 2 additional filters that relate to the booking status. Currently there's only one visible, and which is booking is pending approval, but once I approve at least one booking, the second one will show up. You're gonna see it very soon. At this point, Post SMTP plugin should keep the record of 6 emails being sent to both business owner and the clients. Why 6? Because whenever new booking is made, one email is sent to the client and the other one to the business owner. 3 bookings were made so far. 3 times 2 is 6. And according to our Bookmate setup, it all looks good. Now I'm gonna open the very first booking post in order to demonstrate what can be done once the booking has been recorded. Okay. The booking post title is actually client's name. I already said that. Then the first section, which represents invoice crucial information. Then we have the booking calendar preview, so you can see booked and available dates that relate to the booking subject. And finally, the section with editable info that was initially posted by the client. Here you can update arrival and departure dates in case the client may up his mind, or you can update any other personal information provided by the client. On the right hand side, we have 2 additional panels, one of which is used to delete or decline the current booking, while the other one allows you to update the booking status. Let's change the booking status to approved first and see how it affects both administration and the front end of the calendar. Okay. Now, as you can see, the booking that has been approved changes the color of the target date range in a calendar preview, as well as the color of book days in the front end. Let's take a look at the front end for a moment. I have to refresh the page. And here it is. The background color of the target date range has been updated correspondingly. If we now go to Post SMTP plugin log page, new emails should be recorded. There it is. It was sent to the client as a result of the booking status change. On a bookings admin screen, new booking post status filter showed up as well, just as I said it will. Now you can also filter bookings by the status if needed. In case I want to decline certain booking, I will simply delete it. So in order to delete or decline certain booking, I select to edit one of the bookings I made and delete it. Okay, this one will be fine. Delete. confirm. Okay. Alrighty. Now, new email should be sent to the client saying that the booking has been declined. That action is also recorded by the Post SMTP plugin. Let's check it out. Yes, it is. Which means that all works fine. And of course, once the booking is deleted, our calendar no longer shows its date range, which means other people will be able to jump in and make a new booking. And there it is. If you know any booking calendar WordPress plugin simpler than Bookmate, let me know.